What is mindset? Your mindset is your collection of thoughts and beliefs that shape your thought habits. So there are two types of mindset. First is a fixed mindset. So what is a fixed mindset? In a fixed mindset, people believe their basic qualities like their intelligence or talents are simply fixed traits. I don't have fixed mindset. Of course, I don't believe that abilities of intelligence are static and unchangeable.
I don't have a fixed mindset. Of course, I don't believe that abilities and intelligence are innate and unchangeable traits.
I don't have a fixed mindset. Of course, I don't avoid challenges for fear of failure, and I don't believe that effort is fruitless.
I don't have a fixed mindset. Of course, I don't believe that intelligence and abilities are innate traits. I don't view them as something you work with and that cannot be changed significantly.
I don't have a fixed mindset, of course. I don't focus on being perfect, and I am not afraid of change.
Next one is the growth mindset. In a growth mindset, people believe that their most basic abilities can be developed and grow through dedication and hard work. I have growth mindset. Of course, I believe the ability to grow and learn more things.
I have a growth mindset. Of course, I believe that abilities and intelligence can be developed through hard work, learning, and dedication.
I have a growth mindset. Of course, I welcome feedback and criticism as opportunities to learn and improve.
I have a growth mindset. Of course, I believe that intelligence and abilities can be developed through hard work, effective strategies, and input from others.
I have a growth mindset, of course. I accept my mistakes and make them as a motivation to learn.
So, what do you think is your mindset? Is it a fixed mindset or a growth mindset?